Welcome to Quiz Hub. Get ready to test your brain and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? A. Neptune, B. Venus, C. Saturn. Correct answer, Saturn. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. What does a firewall do in computers? A. Blocks viruses and hackers. B. Updates software automatically. C. Stores personal data. Correct answer, blocks viruses and hackers. Firewalls filter unsafe internet traffic. Which word means a guess based on clues? A. Hypothesis. B. Fact. C. Memory. Correct answer, hypothesis. A hypothesis is a smart guess before testing. What is the study of human behavior called? A. Sociology. B. Psychology. C. Zoology. Correct answer, psychology. It examines how people think and act. What is cyberbullying? A. Online teasing or harassment. B. Creating new apps. C. Sharing funny memes. Correct answer, online teasing or harassment. Cyberbullying hurts others through digital messages. What does Ctrl plus P do in most computers? A. Open calculator. B. Pauses the screen. C. Prints the document. Correct answer, prints the document. Ctrl plus P is the universal print shortcut. What does GPS help us find? A. Directions and locations. B. Book meanings. C. Phone storage. Correct answer, directions and locations. GPS uses satellites to track positions globally. What is plagiarism? A. Copying someone's work. B. Reading books. C. Writing stories. Correct answer, copying someone's work. Plagiarism means using others' ideas without credit. Which country invented pizza? A. France. B. Italy. C. Spain. Correct answer, Italy. Pizza is originated in Naples, Italy. What is the national sport of Japan? A. Karate. B. Sumo wrestling. C. Baseball. Correct answer, sumo wrestling. Sumo has been Japan's traditional sport for centuries. Which country's flag has a maple leaf? A. Italy. B. Germany. C. Canada. Correct answer, Canada. The maple leaf is Canada's national symbol. What is the study of the Earth's surface called? A. Astronomy. B. Geology. C. Geography. Correct answer, geography. Geography explores land, water and human environments. Which instrument helps to see very tiny objects? A. Microscope. B. Telescope. C. Binoculars. Correct answer, microscope. Microscopes magnify small things invisible to the eye. What does STEM stand for? A. Space, Time, Earth, Motion. B. Science, Technology, Engineering, Math. C. Smart Tech every month. Correct answer. Science, technology, engineering, math. STEM education builds modern problem-solving skills. What does 3D printing create? A. Flat drawings. B. Real physical objects. C. Animated videos. Correct answer. Real physical objects. It builds solid items layer by layer using material. What is the main purpose of a motherboard? A. Store data permanently. B. Control the monitor display. C. Connect all computer parts. Correct answer. Connect all computer parts. The motherboard links the CPU, RAM and devices together. What is the past participle of write? A. Write it. B. Wrote. C. Written. Correct answer. Written. It is used with auxiliary verbs like have, has or had to form perfect tenses, such as in the sentence, the letter has been written. Which famous scientist is known for E equals mc squared? A. Einstein. B. Tesla. C. Newton. Correct answer. Einstein. His equation connects energy and mass. What is a haiku? A. Japanese short poem. B. Greek play. C. Roman story. Correct answer. Japanese short poem. Haiku has 3 lines with a 5-7-5 syllable pattern. What programming language was created by Guido van Rossum? A. Python. B. Java. C. Ruby. Correct answer. Python. Python was designed for easy readability and learning. What do we call an angle less than 90 degrees? A. Obtuse. B. Right. C. Acute. Correct answer. Acute. Acute angles measure between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. What is the capital of New Zealand? A. Auckland. B. Wellington. C. Christchurch. Correct answer. Wellington. It became New Zealand's capital in the year 1865. Which energy source is produced by splitting atoms? A. Solar. B. Wind. C. Nuclear. Correct answer. Nuclear. Fission releases large amounts of energy. Country launched the first floating city project? A. South Korea. B. Japan. C. United Arab Emirates. Correct answer. South Korea. Busan began building the world's first ocean-based city prototype. What field studies how the brain learns? A. Cognitive science. B. Botany. C. Marine biology. Correct answer. Cognitive science. It explores memory, attention and problem solving. What branch of AI focuses on understanding language? A. Vision AI. B. Robotics. C. NLP. Correct answer. NLP. Natural language processing helps computers read and talk. What natural event forms when cold air meets warm moist air? A. Earthquake. B. Tornado. C. Eclipse. Correct answer. Tornado. The clash of air layers creates violent spinning columns. What branch of biology studies fungi? A. Entomology. B. Ecology. C. Mycology. Correct answer. Mycology. Mycologists research mushrooms and molds. Which animal is known to laugh like humans? A. Hyena. B. Parrot. C. Dolphin. Correct answer. Hyena. Their vocal sounds resemble laughter. Which scientist is known for discovering radioactivity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Henry Becquerel. C. Max Planck. Correct answer. Henry Becquerel. He found uranium emitted mysterious rays. What is the deepest known point on Earth? A. Challenger Deep. B. Tonga Trench. C. Puerto Rico Trench. Correct answer. Challenger Deep. It lies in the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 km deep. Which material is often called liquid metal in robotics? A. Copper. B. Titanium. C. Gallium. Correct answer. Gallium. Its soft, melts easily and conducts electricity. Which element is needed for strong bones and teeth? A. Zinc. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. Correct answer. Calcium. It builds and maintains bone density. What's the main purpose of a router in a network? A. Stores passwords. B. Directs data traffic. C. Blocks viruses. Correct answer. Directs data traffic. It connects and manages data between devices. What energy source uses Earth's internal heat? A. Geothermal. B. Biomass. C. Hydropower. Correct answer. Geothermal. It converts underground heat into electricity. What element has the chemical symbol Sn? A. Silver. B. Sodium. C. Tin. Correct answer. Tin. Sn stands for stannum, Latin for tin. Which gas is used to fill modern light bulbs? A. Helium. B. Oxygen. C. Argon. Correct answer. Argon. Argon prevents filament oxidation inside bulbs. What is the smallest particle in a quantum computer called? A. Bit. B. Qubit. C. Nanonode. Correct answer. Qubit. Qubits store quantum information using superposition and entanglement. What term describes self-driving car communication with surroundings? A. IoT. B. AR. C. V2X. Correct answer. V2X. Vehicle to everything lets autonomous cars exchange road data. Which scientist first used the term genetics? A. Gregor Mendel. B. William Bateson. C. Charles Darwin. Correct answer. William Bateson. Bateson coined genetics to describe the study of heredity. Which cloud type brings thunderstorms? A. Cirrus. B. Cumulonimbus. C. Stratus. Correct answer, cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus clouds are tall and produce lightning and heavy rain. What renewable source uses flowing rivers for power? A. Tidal. B. Wind. C. Hydropower. Correct answer, hydropower. Hydropower plants convert water flow into electricity. What programming term means an error in code? A. Patch. B. Syntax. C. Bug. Correct answer, bug. A bug refers to a mistake that breaks program function. Which continent has the least freshwater availability per person? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Australia. Correct answer, Africa. High population and drought reduce per capita water supply in Africa. Which invention uses superconducting magnets to move trains? A. Maglev. B. Metro. C. Bullet train. Correct answer, Maglev. Magnetic levitation eliminates friction for high speed. What does S in HTTPS mean? A. Secure protocol. B. Slow transfer. C. Shared path. Correct answer, secure protocol. The S shows encrypted, safe web communication. Which device measures electric current? A. Ohm meter. B. Voltmeter. C. Ammeter. Correct answer, ammeter. It records current in amperes. What does the T in IoT stand for? A. Tool. B. Technology. C. Thing. Correct answer, thing. IoT means Internet of Things, devices connected online to exchange data over the Internet. Which metal is used in electric wires for its conductivity? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Zinc. Correct answer, copper. Copper allows electricity to pass through easily. A student designs a robot that sorts plastic from metal waste. Which AI concept is being used? A. Computer vision. B. Deep search. C. Voice recognition. Correct answer, computer vision. It has machines see and identify visual patterns like materials. If you love quizzes, like, share and subscribe. How many did you get right? Comment below. Keep quizzing with Quiz Hub.